Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Dr. Amira from Faiz Arabic Center, and we are here today in a new episode of what is the difference between, to differentiate between two nouns, su'al and su'al. So, su'al means kaf. So we can say, Aisha مريضة, عندها سعال شديد. Aisha is sick, is ill. She has a strong cough. عائشة مريضة عندها سعال شديد. The other word, which is سؤال, means a question. So we can say خديجة طالبة عندها سؤال صعب. Khadija is a student. She has a difficult question. خديجة طالبة عندها سؤال صعب. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in future videos. Assalamu alaikum.